Students will access their Learnics Assignment just as they would any other assignment in Google Classroom. Once they click View Assignment, they will see the attached doc and the Learnics data icon. This icon will only become clickable when the student has turned in their assignment. Students will notice a blue banner at the top of their screen that tells them their online data is being logged. Students will notice a pop-up window with the expectation in written form. Once students have reviewed the expectations, they simply click Close to remove the window. Students can visit expectations at any point during their assignment by clicking on the extension. This is the progress bar window, which gives students a visual representation of the expectations. As students progress through the assignment and expectations are met, they see a yellow star and the expectation will turn green. When all expectations are met, students will see a burst of confetti. Further down the progress bar, students can see a live account of their logging data. This information can be altered depending on the permissions set forth by the teacher. Students should be aware that their logging data is sent to their teacher on average every 5 minutes. The student data will stop logging when they click Turn In. Once the student has clicked Turn In, the Learnics extension icon will now be live, giving them access to their data and analytics based on individual logging behaviors and the teacher research expectation. Go ahead and access their data. One of our newest features is the ability to create a bibliography based on the sites that they visited. To do this, the students click on Create a Bibliography. The bibliography is editable and will alert students when components are missing. The citation will not save until all parts are amended. Students can choose which sources to include in their bibliography. Once they are complete, they can click Save Citation. Students also have the choice between MLA and APA style. Each one of the components of the citation will let them know what the title is. If they see a component in red, this means that that piece is missing and that they can simply go click on it and then edit what it is. Once they're done, they can hit OK. Students can choose which citations they want the teachers to have access to. I can click on those and then hit Save Citation. Once that's done, it has been sent over to the teacher's dashboard. Students then have the ability to copy or download it as a PDF. If there are any post-assignment questions or self-reflection questions the teachers have assigned, this is also where the students will have access. The student data consists of an overview of their logging behavior, which includes how many sites visited, their submission time, and how long they spent on their assignment. The progress report coincides with their expectations and how they were met towards the teacher's expectations. The following data window shows a distribution of sites. It then shows all of the Google searches performed, and it includes a Wordle of all Google search terms that they have used. Down below, it shows them a timeline of when they accessed their sites. And then finally, it gives them a list of all sites visited with a timestamp. If the students needed to go back to a site for any reason, they can simply click on the arrow and it will link them back there. These are the same visualizations that the teachers will have for class-wide distribution as well as for individual students.